Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Shego from Kim Possible. And, first of all, I just want to say, I love how this turned out, but it's not originally what I had in mind when I was going to do Shego. Originally, I was going to be doing a different style of cut crease instead of this halo eye, but as I started to really plan it out, I was like, ooh, you know what, a halo eye would probably look really good for Shego. And I had to agree, it does. But originally I was going to do a style of cut crease by AHP Makeup. I'm going to have a picture somewhere up here so that we can see what I mean. I was going to do that style of a cut crease, but with this color scheme. And I have to say I'm glad I did not do that. I might do that for some other looks at some point. I don't know when, but I'm glad I decided to hold off and just do this halo eye because I am living. And I feel like I need a little bit more brightness. And, okay, there we go. I will say, as soon as I turn that up in brightness, I get washed out. Fun. Anyway, I had so much fun creating this look. And if you want to see how I created it, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I took care of my eyebrows and primed and set my lids. And I have to say, they actually worked really well today because I'm using a new finger primer. So, same type of primer because it works really well, just a new tube. Yeah. Anyway, I primed and set my lid using Titan from the Alien palette, and today we're using the Alien palette. And like always, whenever I'm doing a fun green look, I had to dip into Abduction first to go high into the crease. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Flying Saucer and place that just below. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of Ghost OG and just really focusing that in the crease. Okay, so now that we have that on, I'm going to take Black Hole, which is this black, and focus that on the outer and inner portions of the eye because we're doing a halo. Okay, so now I'm going to hop off camera real quickly just to cut the center portion of my eye, and we're going to be right back. And whenever I come back, I think I'm most likely going to take a little bit of UFO on the edges and then have Alien right in the center. Okay, so I'm actually going to just take the Alien shade, which is that bright green, and place it on the lid, all on that area. I'm going to do that on this eye. By the way, I did forget to say I'm also going to do it with my full face. Everything else I'm going to be right back. Okay, and we're back. I don't know what's up with my chair, but for some reason it's going lower. Anyway, we're going to go back to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to use my usual trick of using the same colors I used up top down below. Okay, real quickly I'm going to run a black eyeliner in my waterline. So for the inner corner, I'm going to take, I kind of want to take Alien. Yeah, we're going to take Alien. Although I love how that looks, I feel like I need a little extra, so I'm going to take Money Honey. So for lipstick today, I'll be taking, this is Milani's Wicked, and I'm going to real quickly line my lips using a black lip liner. Okay, real quickly, I'm going to clean that up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I feel like with this look, I need to put on something green on the lips as well. So, oh wait, no, this is green with blue and pink. Ooh. Let me see if I have a green gloss. I think I do. I do. Mermaid Skin. Okay, so for lip gloss today, I'll be taking Snake Skin by Fenty Beauty. I think that subtle green is what I needed. Okay. Because it still looks black, but with like a subtlety green. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Okay. In that case, I'm gonna go let down my hair, set my face with some setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I am obsessed. Oh my gosh. So, if you know me, you know I love green, and okay, funny thing, I used to actually really dislike the color green until I realized it looks really good on my skin and my eyes. I'm like, okay, I love you, green. And now I'm just like, give me all the greens. That's why whenever this came out, I was like, yes. So I am literally just loving this. Hold on, let me turn down the brightness on here because I feel like it's washing me out slightly. So yeah, now you can really see, like, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. And this, like the green to gold highlight, just everything. I just feel like this is so Shego. And I feel like, I honestly feel like a bad bitch. I feel like a bad bitch. And not just that, but also, it's very different from what I was originally planning for Shego because oh wait, I already said that. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except, oh my gosh, I love this look. Okay, yeah. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh.